How to share screen on Google Meet. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your screen on Google Meet. Google Meet is a video conferencing platform developed by Google. Now to get started, first of all you'll have to launch any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Once you are on the home page of your browser, here at the address bar, type Google Meet. Then press enter to search it. Once it loads, you will find this interface on your screen. Here click on this first link that appears on your screen. Once you click on it, you will be taken to this page. On this page, at the left side, you will find New Meeting option. Go ahead and click on that option. And you will be presented with 3 more options. Here, if you want to create a meeting for later, you can select the first option. But if you want to start an instant meeting right now, then you can select the second option that says Start an instant meeting. Go ahead and click on this option. And as you can see, now the meeting has been started. At the left side, you will find the pop-up window from where you can add people to your meeting. Now once you are on the meeting, at the bottom you will find a toolbar where you will find various options. You will also find a rectangular box having an arrow facing upward that says Present Now. Once you find this icon, click on it to start sharing your screen. You will find the pop-up window on your screen. Here you will be given with 3 options: Chrome tab, window, and the entire screen. From here, choose the one that you would like to share in your meeting. Once you are sure to select one of these, click on them to select them. Now once it is selected, at the bottom you will find Share button. Click on that Share button to share your screen. And after a while, you will see you have successfully shared the selected screen on your meeting. Now if you want to stop sharing, you can simply click on that same icon at the bottom. And from the options that appear, click on this Stop Presenting option right here. This will stop sharing your screen on this meeting. So in this way you can share your screen on Google Meeting. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.